Hello everyone, if you remember, in our packet tracer series we are doing the STP mini project. In our last video we discussed some scenario. This is a scenario what we discussed. So now in this class we are going to do the configuration. So this is a STP mini project configuration, and here we need to configure the host name according to the topology, and we need to enable the rapid PBST on all switches. Okay. So let's start. First of all, we need to give the host name according to topology. So this is a switch 1. So let me give the name. I will go in the console of the switch. I will write here enable, then config T, then I will write the host name switch 1. Okay. So this is the first step we done. We need to do the same thing in all the switches. So we will do one by one, no issue. And also we need to enable the rapid PBST. So I will enable rapid PBST also same time. So we need to write spanning tree mode rapid PBST. Okay, I enable here. After that, what they are asking here, create all the VLAN on the switch manually. So we need to create the all VLAN. We have how many VLAN? We have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Okay, so let's do that one. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So I will write here. I will do here, let me go here in the let me create here VLAN 10, okay, and let me give the name whatever name we have here. If you see what name we have, VLAN 10 is IT department. Okay, so I will write the name as a IT. Then VLAN 20 and name will be HR. Then we have the VLAN 30 and name will be sales. Okay, so I created the VLAN. We need to create in all the switches. So better if we write the configuration in the notepad, we can copy paste. Anyhow, we will do, no issue. Anyhow, we will do. I will show you some configuration. Remaining you can try. If you face issue, we will do all. Okay. Anyhow, let's see. So this one created in one switch. First step, second step. Then third step, we need to create access interface and the VLAN and port fast. So I need to put the interface also. If you see, this is a switch 1. This is a switch 1 and the interface is fast Ethernet 0x1. So I need to put this in the VLAN 10. So how we can put? I will write here interface fast Ethernet 0x1, and then I will write here switch port mode access, and then I will write switch port mode. Switch port axis, which VLAN this one, switch port mode axis VLAN, this sky color, which sky blue is having IT. Okay, switch port mode IT, that is a VLAN 10. So I will write VLAN 10. So I put this interface in VLAN 10 as per this one, and I need to enable this port as a port fast. So what I will do, I am inside the same interface, so I need to enable the port fast also here. So I will do now. How we will enable the port fast? If you remember, we will write the spanning tree and then we will write port fast. Okay, so we will have here warning saying that port fast should be only be enabled on the port connected to the single interface, like we should not have the trunk port, all the story what we already learned before. So I will say okay. So this way it is enabled. Now what I can do, I need to look for the other interface. I have this other interface. This is F0x3. So I will put this also. Let me go to the F0x3 interface, F0x3. Okay, then we will write switch port mode axis, and then I will write switch port mode switch port axis. Which VLAN? This one, blue color. We need to look here. Blue color is VLAN 30. So let me write as a VLAN 30 this one. Sorry, I need to write here VLAN 30. After that, we need to put in this one spanning. We need to put this as a port fast. Okay, so I enable the port fast here also. After that, what we have here, we have this one F0x4 and F0x2. Let me check here. This is F0x4, F0x5 and F0x2. This one we need to put as a trunk. Okay, if you see here, we have trunk interface. So what interface we have? F0x4. This one, look, this one F0x4, F0x2, F0/5. So we need to go here F0 by 2. I will go interface F0 by 2. I will write here switch port mode trunk. Okay, and then I will go interface range. I will use the range command. Why I am using the range? Because I have interface 4 and 5. So I will write interface range F0 by 4 dash 5. Okay, because this is a 4 and this is a 5 to interface. So that's why I taken the interface command, that is the range command, to select the multiple interface. Then I will write switch port mode trunk. Okay, so I put that one also. So what else is left here? Configure the root switch as a switch 1. I need to configure this one as a root also. So how we can configure? I will go here, I will write spanning tree. Okay, after that press question mark. You have the mode and you have the port fast, you have the VLAN. So which VLAN? VLAN 1 we are using, or we are using the VLAN 1, VLAN 10, and we are using VLAN 10, 20, 30. In our lab we are using only 3 VLAN. By default we have the VLAN 1. So we need to make the king switch for VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So I will do here, I will write VLAN 10. Okay, and if you see here, I can say root. I will press question primary. Same thing I will do, I will write here 20 also, because I need to do for 20 also. Okay, then I will write here 30 also, for 30 VLAN 30 also. Okay, this one is finished. What else we need to do here? IP address on the PC. So we will assign the IP, no issue. I hope you are understanding, right? Let me repeat again what I am doing here. See here, first of all, I give the host name as per the topology. Just I done only one switch. Okay, here I give the name as a switch 1. Then I enable the rapid PBST. Okay, on all the switches, means first I done only in one switch, later we are going to do other switch also. And then create all VLAN. We created all VLAN, and then we put interface in that VLAN. And what we done, we enable the port fast for that interface, and we created trunk, and we make the root switch for switch 1 as a root switch for all the VLAN, that is VLAN 10, 20, 30. Now we need to assign the IP address. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to the PC. This is a PC 4. As per this one, we need to assign 192.168.30.1. So I will take 30.1, this one. Okay, how we will assign? Just we will go here and we will write 192.168.30.1, right? They give this range, so we will write 30.1. This is the first PC, so I will give 30.1. And no need for default gateway because we are not using router, so I will leave like this. And then we need to assign for this machine PC3. So this is a sky blue color, and we need to use 192.168.10.0. So I will go here, I will write here 192.168.10.1. okay, and I will leave like this. So these two finish, and this switch is finished. This is a switch 1. I will go for the switch 2 now. Same thing we need to do for the switch 2 also. First of all, we need to configure the host name. As per here, if you see, we need to configure the host name according to the topology. So what I will do, I will go here, I will write here config t, then I will write here host name switch 2. First thing is enable, then we need to enable the rapid PBST. So we will write spanning tree mode rapid PBST. So we enable the PBST. Then what we need to do, we need to create the VLAN. So let me write here VLAN 10. I will give the name as a IT department IT, and then we will write the VLAN 20, and I will give the name as a HR. Okay, then I will give the VLAN 30, and name I will give as a sales. So I created the VLAN, and then we need to put the ports also. So we are here in this switch. So if you see, this is the interface fast Ethernet. What is the interface? Fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, so I will go here. Let me select the interface. I will write interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and after that, this VLAN, which VLAN? Fast Ethernet 0/1 is in yellow. Yellow means VLAN 20. So I will write here VLAN 20. Okay, switch port mode axis. Then I will write switch port axis VLAN 20. See here, same, this one I am following VLAN 20. So this one is done. Now what else we need to do? We have one more PC, so we need to check this is interface fast Ethernet 0/3. So I will go to that interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Let me go here, interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, then we will check this color, the sky blue color is VLAN 10, so we will put that in the VLAN 10. So switch port mode axis and then switch port axis VLAN 10. Okay, see here, this one color, yellow color is for 10, and now we are doing for the this port is F0/3. F0/3 is a this color is a VLAN 10. So here if you see, I am here inside the F0/3, and F0/3 is having the sky blue color, and that it belongs to the VLAN 10. So I will write here VLAN 10 and I will press enter. So these two interface we put in that VLAN, particular VLAN. Okay, and what else we need to do? We need to put this interface fast Ethernet which 0/2, okay, and fast Ethernet 0/4, these two interface as a trunk, 0/2 and 0/4. So how we will write? We will write interface fast Ethernet 0/2. I will put switch port mode trunk, and then I will write the interface fast Ethernet 0/4. Okay, if you have confusion, let me show you. This is a fast Ethernet 0/4. Okay, so I will go here, I will do here fast Ethernet 0/4 switch port mode trunk. So I put that as a trunk. So we finish. We need to enable port fast also, we forget here. So let me go and enable the port fast now. Which interface? Fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/3. So let me do fast Ethernet 0/1 interface fast Ethernet 0. Okay, this is the switch 1. We need to do in the switch 2. Okay, we need to do in the switch 2. So I am here in the switch 2. I need to look this interface fast Ethernet 0/1 interface fast Ethernet 0/1. I will put this interface as a, what we need to do, port fast. So spanning tree, then we will write the port fast. Okay, then I will go for the interface, which other interface we have, this fast Ethernet 0/3. So let me go here, this one we finish. Now fast Ethernet 0/3, and then we will write here spanning tree port fast. Okay, so let me see here what we finish. Host name finish, VLAN we created, and then we put the interface also, and port fast also enabled, trunk also enabled, and we need to create the root bridge as a secondary. Okay, so let's go here, and I will do here. How we will do? We will write spanning tree VLAN 10 for VLAN 10, and then I will press question mark, and here root, then secondary. Okay, same command we need to write for 20. I will do here 20, enter, and then same command I will do for the 30. Okay, so now this one is finished. What else is left here? Let's see. Configure the root switch. The backup one is done, that is the secondary here. And next thing is assigning the IP address. Okay, before assigning the IP address, here we will check show spanning tree. If you see spanning tree, what we will have here, this one, if I write spanning tree, this is the VLAN 1. So now we will look for the VLAN 10 because we configured the VLAN 10. So this is for the VLAN 10, and here what we have, this one, if you see the priority change here, 2867, and this is the 10 plus 10, so it will become 28682, and this guy is not a king. Okay, and if you want, I will show you, this guy will become as a king because we already changed here. So let me show you, show a spanning tree, and when I run the spanning tree, this is for the VLAN 1 from here to here. We don't want to see for the VLAN 1 anyhow. Okay, so now I will check for the VLAN 10. If you see, this bridge is a root bridge, okay, for VLAN 10, and for 20 also we make this one. So if you see, this is a VLAN 20, this bridge is a root bridge, and if you see this is a VLAN 30, this bridge is a root bridge. Okay, so for the switch 1 is okay, and for the switch 2 is a backup. If you want to reload, automatically that switch will become. If you want, I will save the configuration for the switch 1 and I will reload. Okay, when I reload the switch 1, switch 2 will become as a king switch. If you want, I will show you. Okay, let me show you, because switch 1 is reloading. So let's do here, show a spanning tree. And if you see for the spanning tree, before this switch is not a king switch, now he become king. This bridge is a root bridge for the VLAN 10 and for VLAN 20. And if you see VLAN 30 also, you will have that one. Where is VLAN 30? Let me show you. This is a VLAN 30, and if you see, this bridge is a root bridge. But if you wait some time, when this bridge come up again, he will take his role, so this guy will become secondary. Now let's see, I will make again. If you see, this is a VLAN 10, and now this guy is no more the king switch. If you see here, nothing is mentioned here. Before, if you see, before it is showing you this is a king. Okay, but now no more this guy is king, because our switch 1 came up, so he taken his role back, and this guy is becoming as a secondary. Okay, so let me save the configuration here also in the switch 2. So switch 1, switch 2 configuration we already done. We need to assign the IP here. So this yellow color means 20 dot. So let's go here and I will assign the IP 192.168.20.1. I will give 20.1 because we still not use, and this one is a sky color 10 dot. We already use here, so I will give 10.2. So I will go here, I will write here 192.168.10.2. okay, 10.2 I give, because this is a yellow color. Yellow means 20. Let me show you. Yellow means 20. Okay, and sky blue means 10. So this one is okay. Now we finish only the switch 1, switch 2 configuration. We need to do same thing. If you see here, this configuration, configure host according to the topology and rapid PVST, we need to do in this switch, this switch, this switch, all switch. And VLAN manually we need to do all switch, and we need to put the interface in that particular VLAN also, and we need to enable the port fast and the trunk. This one no need to do. Only this LAN number 4 we need to do only in the switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, so I hope you can do that one. So take the assignment, configure this one for the switch 3 and switch 4 and 5 and 6. If you face issue, no problem, WhatsApp us, we are going to support you. Okay, we configure the switch 1, we configure the switch 2. You need to do same thing in the switch 3, switch 4 and switch 5, switch 6. Try to do this one. If you face any issue, let me know. Okay, we will do, no issue. If you face any problem, we will come live, we will show you how to do, no problem. Concept is important. Try to learn the concept and implement that one. Okay, we will meet you in our next class. Thank you. Bye.